Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this 108 Feline. So this car we originally sold from new and have taken it back in part exchange. It's got a good service history, and some of its features include 15-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's a reversing camera. Inside the car you've got leather interior. The touchscreen has DAB digital radio and Bluetooth, but on top of this there's air conditioning, automatic headlights, a speed limiter, and the car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine. It gives you 82 horsepower. It's done under 45,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. Thank you.